Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a project share video. I have some cards that I made recently and I'd like to share those with you. These are for fall. I have a few people that I like to send fall cards to because I know they really don't celebrate Halloween. So I like to send them a fall card. So the first one is this really cute card, and it's made with the DCWV Falloween 12 by 12 paper pad, and I used a little birdie doily there and some little bling from Michael's Recollection, and these are just little cut aparts from the paper pad itself. I kind of popped this up, double layered it, and popped it up on a little foam tape to give it a little dimension. And then the next card is this small little card, and it just says happy fall. That's a sentiment from the DCWV falling leaves sticker pack. It's a 10 sheet sticker pack you can get, and that's just one of the sentiments from there. I used some Nouveau drops, and that's metallic, I think it's copper penny, and then used a Gina Marie die. It's the I think it's called Rick Rack nested die, and I think it turned out really cute. The next one is this sweet little card, and it says, you've been on my mind and in my heart. And that's a cute little sentiment. Comes from Blessed Inside and Out stamp set. It's really cute. And once again, I used some Gina Marie embellishments there. And just came out really cute. And then there's another one. And it's using that little birdie doily and the Gina Marie little stickers. I can't think what those are called right now. And I just used some of the sentiment from the paper pad and layered it up, and I thought it looked nice. And then last but not least, this one, I think this is my favorite card. And this is using the cut aparts from the paper pad, and another one of those stickers from the falling leaves sticker sheet. And then I used this sweet little bow that I got a pack from Hobby Lobby, and this is using the Gina Marie Rick Rack die set. So that's the cards I wanted to share. So we got Harvest Wishes, and then we have Thankful and Blessed. I'm using my camera for my phone for the first time, filming a video of this type. My camera, something's wrong with it, and so I'm kind of trying to adjust to this new way of filming. So then it's a little card. So let me know what you think below. To my new subscribers, welcome, and to all of you, thank you for subscribing and watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.